What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series with a subscriber spray out. One of you guys left me a message in a previous video and asked for a gloss cranberry and satin ink blue with a House of Color F22 royal blue metal flake, micro flake over top of it. And we just so happen to have all the materials, so we're going to be doing that today. Got my fender prepped up behind me. We're going to two-tone it with these Rustoleum colors, and then we're going to shoot some House of Colors metal flake over top and see if we can't come up with something cool. So without further ado, let's grab the Rustoleum and let's get two-tone this fender, guys. So we got this cranberry ink blue two-tone going on behind me. I'm using my Speedo Coat Clear today for these House of Color micro flakes, 4-to-1 mix with a medium temp activator. So it's about 75 degrees out, perfect for this activator. I've done 5 ounces total in the mix, 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of activator, and now we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of this metal flake, because he said he wanted an effect, but he didn't want it too heavy. So, you know, I want to give him what he's looking for, and we're going to dump that in the mix. And, as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is House of Color Royal Blue Metal Flake. A very pretty blue metal flake. Now, metal flake, unlike pearl, is a little bit heavier, so you got to keep the mix agitated constantly. If not, all the flakes will settle to the bottom, it'll stop up your gun, it'll clump up your whatever you're spraying, and it makes an absolute mess. So just proceed with caution whenever you're using flake, and make sure you keep everything agitated really good while you're spraying. And let's load up our V-Word gun, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I'm spraying my V-Word gun today with 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI wide open trigger if you decide to replicate my settings. As I said, this is metal flake today, so you want to make sure to keep your pearls, your flake agitated in the mix, because this is a little bit heavier than pearl. But I'm going to do a light coat first, make sure I don't get no reactions, followed up by 1 or 2 follow-up coats till we get the desired gloss and effect. And then we're going out in the sun to see what it looks like. So I'm putting my mask on. Let's get to spraying. guys, so here's the spray out for today. Gloss Cranberry and Satin Ink Blue with a really cool House of Color Micro Flake Royal Blue. And yeah, it turned out really good. Over the Cranberry, you did have a little bit of salt and pepper effect because the Cranberry was a lighter color than the Metal Flake, and that typically happens especially on Metal Flakes, even with the Micro Flake, opposed to say the pearls, because of the micron size or the size of the pigment. And it just kind of shows through, and that's kind of the nature of Metal Flake. Over the Ink Blue, however, since the Ink Blue was a darker color, the Metal Flake did fine, and yeah, you get a great effect either way. You do have to be aware of the texture that Metal Flake creates opposed to pearls because of the micron size. So you do want to stack more clear over top of it so you can go back and cut or buff. Or just with Micro Flake, sometimes it will level out and cover entirely. But it's all a learning curve with all this stuff, guys, and you just have to do your spray outs, trial and error. If you enjoyed today's video and you want to buy a clear or Micro Flake or anything you saw, links will be in the description as seen on YouTube. You click on that, it takes you to my Amazon store. You can pick up anything there, and we get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode, and just overall, drop me a like and comment. If you've got a suggestion for a future video or something we haven't done on this channel, leave it there. Or if you have something you want to send me to spray out on the channel, P.O. Box will be in the description, and you can always hit me up, WHITLEYAutoWorks@gmail. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I hope you did as well. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from WHITLEY Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.